Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get a Geico life insurance quote in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Geico website and click on Get a Quote. That's in the top right corner. So just go ahead and click that. And next, you're going to select your state. So enter your state or zip code to begin the quote process. The next thing you're going to do is to choose your insurance type. And here, you're going to select life as the type of insurance that you're interested in. And the next thing you're going to do is to enter your personal information. So go ahead and provide your name, your date of birth, and your social security number. Next, you're going to answer questions about your health and lifestyle. So go ahead and answer those questions about your health and lifestyle, and be sure to answer that honestly so you can get the most accurate information. And next, you're going to review your quote. So go ahead and review your quotes and adjust the coverage as needed. So after all this information has been provided, you're going to get a quote and you can review that and adjust the coverage. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to get a Geico life insurance quote in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys